Greetings, Mark Bernier. As I can see, we have an Excel sheet right here. What I wanted to do is to add column right here in our Excel. So I want to add a column right between these two figures right here. Yes, very important. So I'm going to click in this one right here and I'm going to right click. You notice when I right click, bring up this dialog box right here. So I'm going to come here, insert, and click on insert. Now when I click on insert, it says shift cell right. You notice right, it's a shift cell down, right? Enter row, enter column. So I'm gonna check this box, enter column. If you notice right here, it's a cancel. And right here, it's a OK. So I'm gonna click on OK. Notice when I click OK, you notice column in between here, right? So if I come like this again to get a different column, I don't have to right click. What I can do definitely if I do that, right, you have a difference here in which I can do it. Notice you come right up here. That's a cell. You notice cell. So notice this insert. I click on insert right here. Notice there's an insert cell. Notice right here is an insert column. So I'm going to click on that. You notice? That will give me the column in between it. Just the same. So this is how you insert column right in your spreadsheet. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.